Imagine watering your garden once and then not touching it again for weeks. No sprinklers, no drip lines, no electricity, no timers. Just a buried clay pot. This irrigation system is over 2,000 years old. It was used in desert civilizations, studied by modern scientists, and costs less than $5 to build. So why isn't it everywhere? Across the American West, water is no longer guaranteed. Restrictions increase. Every summer reservoirs shrink. Farmers pay more for irrigation. Traditional watering wastes massive amounts of water through evaporation, runoff, overwatering. But what if water never touched the surface at all? What if it went straight to the roots? An olla is a simple, unglazed clay pot buried underground. Only the neck remains above soil. You fill it with water. Seal the top, and then the soil pulls water out slowly through microscopic pores in the clay, not by force, but by natural soil tension. Plants take only what they need. No more, no less. Here's the science. Dry soil creates suction. That suction pulls moisture through the porous clay walls. When soil becomes moist, the suction stops. It's self-regulating. That means no overwatering, no runoff, minimal evaporation, deep root growth. Some studies show up to 70% water savings compared to surface irrigation. And the deeper roots make plants more drought-resistant. Ollas were used by ancient Chinese farmers, Roman gardeners, indigenous communities in the America in desert regions. They were survival tools. In Spain and North Africa, they sustained orchards. This wasn't experimental. It was normal. Modern irrigation replaced them with plastic tubing and pumps. But the old system never stopped working. It was simply forgotten. In modern water efficiency studies, scientists have explored clay-based subsurface irrigation systems. Why? Because they are low energy, highly efficient, simple to scale. Ideal for dry climates. Even today, variations of this principle are studied for sustainable agriculture systems. Ancient design, modern validation. You need 2 unglazed terracotta pots, waterproof sealant, a lid, or flat stone. Steps: seal the drainage hole. Attach pots rim to rim if making larger system. Bury near plant roots, leave neck exposed. Fill with water. Cover. That's it. 1 pot can irrigate plants in a 2 to 3 foot radius. Minimal maintenance. No plastic waste. No electricity. Here's the honest answer. It doesn't scale easily for massive monoculture fields. Ollas are best for backyard gardens, raised beds, orchards, small farms. Industrial agriculture prefers mechanized systems. Efficiency at scale favors machinery. But resilience at home? That's where ollas shine. As water becomes more valuable, old solutions start looking revolutionary. A buried clay pot cannot crash, cannot break software, cannot lose signal. It simply responds to the soil. Sometimes the most advanced system is the simplest one. For thousands of years, farmers survived drought without pumps, without plastic. Without automation, they trusted physics, they trusted soil, they trusted clay. Maybe the future of food security isn't high-tech. Maybe it's buried beneath our feet. If you found this useful, subscribe.